Now that you've mastered the core body movements common to both short axis strokes, you're ready to learn butterfly. Lesson 2 presents 3 simple drills that will lead you to effortless and fluent butterfly by building on the skills you've already learned. Our first butterfly drill, Stone Skipper, teaches you to seamlessly add butterfly arm stroke and breath to your core body wave rhythm. We'll leave out the butterfly recovery to simplify the learning process.
Beautiful.
Start with hand lead body dolphins. Pulse once, then pulse and slide your hands to the corners. Then, in one quick motion, sweep your hands in and back as your body rises to breathe and shoots over the water like a stone skipping over the surface. Pulse once with your arms at your sides, then pulse again as you sneak them back to full extension. Keep pulsing. You might think of this as 2 hand lead pulses followed by 2 head lead pulses. You fit in the breath as you switch or skip from hand lead to head lead. Your core body rhythm should remain unbroken through each phase and through the switch. You may learn the rhythm more quickly by chanting silently as you practice. Pulse, pulse and pull, pulse, pulse and recover, pulse, pulse and pull, pulse, pulse and recover. Practice until this rhythm is seamless. Whatever you're doing, breathing, pulling, or pulsing, the body continues its relaxed, rhythmic, harmonic wave. Take all the time necessary to make it smooth and fluid, gentle and quiet. As you master the drill, your main focus is to have your head move within the line of your body wave. Move it forward as you breathe, and let it lead your body back into the water without pause. Stone Skipper is the perfect drill to get butterfly breathing just right. Practice all these skills. Start to breathe as early as possible in the stroke. Land forward, not down, to finish the breath. Keep looking down and stay low. Return immediately to pulsing after the breath.
Good. Fantastic.
This could be your most important butterfly drill. Practice until it's consistently gentle, relaxed, and quiet. No noise, no splash, little effort. With enough practice, you're